Here's a quick video on how to change your time format in Windows. This should work for Windows 11 and Windows 10. And I should say that in the description of this video, you'll find this article that guides you through every way of doing this and that guides you to frequently ask questions as well as troubleshooting in case this video is too fast for you. If you need this article, I'll leave it in the first link down below. And with that said, let's begin. And there's multiple ways of doing this, but we're actually going to do what I consider to be the easiest one, which is right-clicking on your time down here on the right. As you can see, you have a clock right here. Go ahead and right-click on it and press where it says Adjust Date and Time. That'll put you over here in this menu here in the settings menu under the date and time menu. And what you want to do in here is just scroll down and click where it says change the date and time format. That'll put you over here where now you'll be able to change the short time as well as the long time format. You could change it in here and you could put it on military time, meaning that you could do a 12-hour or a 24-hour clock system, however you like in here. And that is it. You pretty much select the time system or format that you want in here. And that's it. Super easy. It will change immediately down here. And if this is not changing once you select it, I do recommend closing every folder that you have open and maybe even restarting your computer and then trying to do this again. But it's super easy and you could always come back in here and switch back and forth with however you want in here. And of course, there's many other things that you could also change just being here in the date and time menu. You could change your region, all of that super easy. On Windows 10, you might have to do an extra step, which is either going down to language and region, or I know on Windows 10, sometimes you have to press the Windows key plus I on your desktop. And then when you're over here under settings, you could search up time and then you could just select change the date and time in here or the date and time settings. On Windows 10, I know the settings will be named differently, but at the end of the day, it's the same principle. You would just have to find your region or your format and change it from there. Anyways, guys, that has been it. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you guys next time.